a city of mystery, one of the most prominent cities of the ancient world. A walled port city that served as the gateway to the Holy Land with its beauty, adventure, and hidden secrets. All eyes looked up to her and many cultures left their mark on it. In 2001, the old city of Akko was recognized by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. Akko has a touristic uniqueness of utmost importance. Below the present-day city, which is 300 years old, amazing ruins of a 900-year-old crusader city are being discovered, most of which have not yet been uncovered. You have been chosen to discover the secrets of the upper city and the underground city. Your mission is to find the perfect Akko experience. For every discovery you make, you'll win a special medal. Are you ready to begin? You're in the Khan al-Umdan, a large merchant's inn adjacent to the port used for international trade and accommodation. The Khan was built in the late 18th century by Ahmed al-Jazar during the Ottoman period. After unloading their merchandise, the merchants would hurry to the local hammam, bathhouse, to freshen up from the difficult journey and prepare for their stay in the city. You must choose where to begin your mysterious tour to discover our city's secret. The yellow route is Napoleon's route. The red route, across Akko. The sea route, in the footsteps of St. Paul's voyage to Akko. The Jewish route, in the footsteps of Maimonides, Rabbi Moshe ben Nachman, and other great sages of Israel who worked in Akko, and many other routes. Good choice. We'll begin in your home court, the Hospitaller Fortress. The fortress is a magnificent architectural structure. It was built 900 years ago, during the 12th century by the Order of Hospitallers. A hidden city indeed. I don't think that's the way to discover its secret. Why not go with the flow? Join the group. The entrance is this way. Horse? Knight? These steps were especially built to enable the knight's horses to climb up to the upper level. The Knight's Hall, the underground city. What an unbelievable world unfolds. Beneath the present-day city, a complete crusader city was uncovered. A city that had been buried for more than 450 years. The underground city. This is a discovery on a global scale. For the study and discovery of the underground city, you are awarded your first medal. Carry on. From the hidden wonders of the underground city, you can reach the city's fortifications. For years, Old Akko served as a crossroads for trade and pilgrimage. Its residents strengthened its fortifications to stand firm against any attack from the outside. Well done, Knight. You saved the walls. Right here 200 years ago, the great general Napoleon Bonaparte failed in his attempt to conquer the city. For belonging to a long line of defenders of the city, you are awarded a second medal. There's nothing like indulging yourself with a sea breeze and a beautiful view of the bay. Old Akko is one of the few port cities in the world that have existed continuously for more than 4,000 years. It serves as an international and national trade center, as a gateway to the east, and had strategic military value that rulers of the ancient world fixed their eyes on and tried to conquer. Today, Akko is only conquered by tourists who come to enjoy themselves and admire its beauty. The upper city has a vibrant marina and promenade, offering a wide variety of restaurants. tourists enjoy an abundance of hotels and holiday resorts. All of these make Acre an excellent exit point to the enchanting sights of the Galilee. In less than an hour, you'll find yourself in Caesarea, the Sea of Galilee, Nazareth, Rosh Hanikra, and Safed. I see that the city's welcoming spirit has caught up with you. You've managed to free yourselves from the shackles of the old world and enjoy the benefits of the modern world and advanced tourist services that Acre has to offer in abundance. For these, you are awarded an additional medal. Still searching for the secrets of the underground city? Want to experience mystery, surprise, and discovery? You've stumbled upon the Templars Tunnel, which was only discovered in recent years. The tunnel is yet another link in the unfolding mystery of the underground city, a mystery that is continuously unfolding, even today. During the Crusader period, the tunnel served as a secret underground passageway connecting between the magnificent Templar fortress and the port. Acre also serves as a spiritual center for various cultures, the Baha'i Temple and its magnificent gardens, the enormous El Jazar Mosque, ancient synagogues which are believed to contain remnants of the temple, and of course, churches that were built in Old Acre. For your information, the Upper City offers a wide variety of cultural events, theater and music festivals, art and tourist attractions that take place in Acre every year. The most important being the Acre Festival of Alternative Theater, which is considered the best of its kind in Israel. For joining the atmosphere of creativity, tolerance, and openness that characterizes Acre, you are awarded your fourth and last medal. With the 4 medals you've won, you have taught us the secret charm of a city whose adventure has only begun and whose secrets and discovery is endless. You've proved that you are worthy of enjoying the perfect Acre experience.